how to delete a Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Facebook app and then go to your Facebook page. Then go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner and then scroll down, go to settings and privacy. Go to settings again, scroll down, and then under your information, tap on access and control. There, tap on delete page. So hit continue, and then you can choose a reason and then hit continue. Before you leave, save post in your archive if you want to, download the information and then hit continue again. And then delete your page. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.